Salam, in the name of God, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Well, here I am with you with the first session that we have together, and it's called Ahkam in minutes. Well, the first thing that we're going to talk about is the first issue, which in Risalah you can find, and that's exactly which section of the religion we can follow from somebody else's orders. We can imitate other people's actually directions and other people's understandings. It is divided actually in two parts. One, we have some essentials in our religion, which these essentials are the important issues and important matters in our religion, which you cannot follow from somebody else's ideas and directions. You have to go and find out about them yourself. You have to try hard, you have to ask other people, learn, and try to find and try to believe them yourself, not just because somebody has said that. How we are going to act exactly in this situation, in this area. Now we have three ways actually to do and to follow our orders in our religious context, on essential matters. One, somebody himself, for example, consider that somebody himself is an expert. He can understand, he can recognize what God has said in the Holy Quran, what God has said in the accounts and in the sayings of the Holy Prophet and Imams, peace be upon them all. So the first case goes to the person that is expert himself, that is professional in terms of understanding. Two, the second case is that you are not expert yourself. So what you should do, you have two ways now, two options to choose. One, you choose somebody else that is expert to follow him. The third one, which is quietly not talked about in these areas, and that's the way of caution. It means you have to be cautious. It means it's something between following orders of the expert, the experts that we call them actually in our religion mujtahideen or muqalladeen, so either you have to follow them or you have to the third way, which goes mostly with caution, that's you have to do something that you are very sure that you have done the orders of God. For example, if something is wajib, some of the experts in religion, they say it's wajib, the other ones say it's mustahab. If you want to be cautious, you have to take the hardest one. It means you have to act as it is wajib. It means you are now sure that if it's been mustahab, you have done it. If it's been wajib, you have also done it. So there's nothing that you have done wrong actually. So three ways. One, you have to be expert yourself. Two, you have to follow other experts. Three, which is the way which is a little bit mixed of this and that, and you have a more understanding than normal followers. So you do in a way that you are very sure you have done whatever God wants from you. Thank you very much.